Hello everybody, welcome to this YouTube channel. In today's video, I will discuss some preventive measures of vaginal odor. This medical case is so embracing, that is why I decided to point out some preventive measures that can help you to stay far away from having a vaginal odor. I am Mukhtar Banam, aka Dr. El Kanam. If this is the first time that you have come to this YouTube channel, please, I would like you to subscribe to this YouTube channel and click a notification bell so you don't miss out in our subsequent videos. Now let's get started into the video. Welcome back. Like I said earlier, in this video I will point out some preventive measures of vaginal odor. First of all, it is normally for your vagina to have a slight smell, but pay close attention to any change in your discharge, or you develop irritation, itching, or burning sensation in your vagina. Before we continue, let me discuss some causes of the vaginal odor so that you can understand this video effectively. Bacterial vaginosis, or BV, it is a major causes of vaginal odor. This is the overgrowth of the bacteria in the vagina. It is accompanied with symptoms of strong fishy odor and gray discharge. Secondly is trichomoniasis. This is a sexual transmitted infection. It is one of the major causes of vaginal odor, and there is a lot of sexual transmitted infection that is causing a vaginal odor, like a chlamydia and gonorrhea. All of those sexual transmitted infection that I listed, they are causing a vaginal odor. Thirdly is douching. Douching is the process of washing inside of the vagina, usually with water that is mixed with other fluids like vinegar, baking soda, and the iodine. Douching flush out only your healthy bacteria in the vagina, which your vagina needs to stay healthy and balanced. Douching causes overgrowth of the vagina, which causes excessive and intense vaginal odor. The number 4 causes of vaginal odor is poor personal hygiene. Not bathing or showering regularly can lead to the inflammation of the groin area, which can lead to the vaginal odor. Now let me point out the preventive measures of vaginal odor. Number 1 is regular cleaning. Regular washing of your vagina is important, but don't go too far, and don't be fooled by the advertising that is claiming that you need a expensive product to wash your vagina. The vagina is naturally acidic, and naturally, if you want to kill the bacteria in your vagina, you need only plain water. And let me tell you something, some soap can help to cause the overgrowth of the bacteria in your vagina. The number 2 is wearing low-fitting cotton underwear. Thin and lace are not the best choice clothing for the feminine hygiene. Consider wearing no underwear or wear cotton underwear. And avoid wearing a tight cotton underwear that can't give your vagina a good ventilation. Number 3 is don't douche. I have already explained what douching means, and if you are doing a douching, it can help you to push the bacteria into your uterus and the fallopian tube, and it can help you to have a vaginal odor. The last one is you have to switch your tampon and the menstrual cup regularly. If you are not changing your menstrual cup and the tampon regularly, it can cause the build of your bacteria in your vagina, which can cause a vaginal odor. This is the end of this video. If you found it educative and helpful, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel, and share it to our friends and family. See you on the next video. Have a nice time.